lords of the waterways, introducing the Nile and saltwater crocodiles. Across the globe, 14 distinct species of true crocodiles inhabit our planet's rivers, lakes, and coastal regions. These ancient reptiles, survivors from a time when dinosaurs roamed the earth, are masters of their domain, perfectly adapted to a life of hunting and ambush. Among them, 2 species stand out for their size, power, and the sheer vastness of their territories: the Nile crocodile of Africa and the saltwater crocodile of the Indo-Pacific. The Nile crocodile, a denizen of rivers and lakes across sub-Saharan Africa, is a formidable predator, reaching lengths of over 20 feet. Its powerful jaws, lined with sharp conical teeth, can crush bones and tear through flesh with ease. Equally impressive is the saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile found in the brackish and marine environments of Southeast Asia and Australia. This colossal predator, capable of exceeding 23 feet in length, is a true apex predator, feared by all creatures that share its watery realm. These 2 apex predators, though geographically separated, share striking similarities in their hunting strategies, sensory adaptations, and social behaviors. They are both opportunistic hunters, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to venture too close to the water's edge. Their dark, mottled skin provides excellent camouflage in the murky depths, making them nearly invisible to their victims. Kingdoms of the crocodiles, habitats and prey. The Nile crocodile, a true icon of Africa, reigns supreme in a variety of aquatic habitats, from slow-moving rivers and freshwater lakes to swamps and estuaries. Its territory spans a vast swathe of sub-Saharan Africa, from the Nile River, which gives it its name, to the Okavango Delta in Botswana, where it shares its domain with an array of prey animals, including antelope, zebra, and even a large buffalo. The saltwater crocodile, as its name suggests, is a creature of the coasts, inhabiting mangrove swamps, estuaries, lagoons, and even venturing out into the open ocean. Its range extends from India's eastern coast across Southeast Asia to northern Australia and the islands of the South Pacific. This adaptable predator thrives in both freshwater and saltwater environments, preying on a wide variety of animals, including fish, crabs, turtles, birds, wild pigs, and even water buffalo. One remarkable ungulate that often finds itself in the crosshairs of both Nile and saltwater crocodiles is the Gemsbok, a large antelope species known for its striking black and white markings and its ability to survive in arid environments. In the Okavango Delta, Gemsbok frequently gather at waterholes, their thirst often leading them into close proximity to lurking crocodiles. Masters of ambush hunting techniques of crocodiles. Crocodiles are masters of ambush, employing a combination of stealth, patience, and explosive power to secure their meals. Smaller crocodiles often lie in wait at the water's edge, partially submerged and almost invisible amongst the reeds and shadows. Their prey, usually fish, frogs, or small reptiles, are often caught unaware as the crocodile launches a sudden sideways snap of its jaws. Larger crocodiles, such as the Nile crocodile and the saltwater crocodile, utilize similar tactics but on a grander scale. They often lie submerged near riverbanks or watering holes, their bodies perfectly camouflaged against the muddy bottom. Only their eyes and nostrils protrude above the surface, scanning for potential victims. When an unsuspecting animal ventures too close, the crocodile explodes from the water with astonishing speed and power, seizing its prey in its powerful jaws. Section 4. Silent Stalkers. Sensory adaptations for hunting. Crocodiles possess a suite of highly developed senses that make them incredibly efficient hunters. Their eyes, situated on top of their heads, provide excellent all-around vision, both above and below the waterline. This allows them to spot potential prey from afar and track its movements with precision. Underwater, crocodiles rely heavily on their sense of touch. Their bodies, particularly their jaws, are covered in small sensory pits known as integumentary sensory organs, or ISOs. These ISOs are highly sensitive to pressure changes and vibrations in the water, allowing the crocodile to detect the movement of prey even in complete darkness. Section 5. Cooperative killers' unique hunting behaviors. While crocodiles are generally solitary creatures, there are instances where they exhibit cooperative hunting behaviors, particularly when targeting larger prey. In some cases, multiple crocodiles have been observed working together to bring down large animals such as wildebeest or zebra during river crossings. Another fascinating behavior observed in some crocodile species is food caching. Crocodiles, after killing their prey, may drag the carcass underwater and wedge it beneath rocks or logs. This behavior serves to both store food for later consumption and to soften the flesh, making it easier to tear apart and consume. Section 6. A life or death struggle, the Gemsbok and the Nile crocodile. The Okavango Delta, a sprawling inland delta in Botswana, is a haven for wildlife, a tapestry of waterways, islands and floodplains teeming with life. It is here that the paths of the Nile crocodile and the Gemsbok often intersect, resulting in dramatic confrontations between predator and prey. The midday sun beats down on the parched landscape as a herd of Gemsbok approaches a waterhole, their thirst overcoming their natural caution. A large male, his long straight horns glinting in the sunlight, leads the way, his keen eyesight scanning for danger. Unbeknownst to him, a Nile crocodile lies submerged in the shallows, its dark mottled hide blending seamlessly with the muddy bottom. Only its eyes and nostrils break the surface, betraying its presence. As the Gemsbok lowers its head to drink, the crocodile tenses, its powerful tail muscles rippling beneath the water. In a flash, it explodes from its hiding place, jaws agape, teeth bared. The water erupts in a shower of spray as the crocodile lunges for the Gemsbok's neck. The outcome of such an encounter is far from certain.